Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get next card in press and press with accessory adjustment. Okay, first of all guys, you can wear this item and wait, let me color it black, and then I'm going to show you the adjustment you need to follow to get next card. Okay, for the position, you can set the X position just like this. Don't change it. And for the Y position, you're going to set it 0.39. And for the Z position, you're going to set it 0.46. And for the rotate, you're going to make the X 0.37. Okay, and for the Y position, for the Y rotation, just make it like that. And for the Z position as well. And for the scale, I'm just going to make it 0. And this card will be like this. That's so cool. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create max card in Dress to Impress with accessory adjustment. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!